Hey everyone, Brandon Boyd here with iMarketsLive. I am excited to talk to you about the two largest financial markets in the world, that is the foreign exchange and cryptocurrency. Now, for those who don't know about the foreign exchange or what it is, absolutely amazing. So if I travel to, let's say, Mexico or Germany or France, I have to exchange my money, use their currency. When I come back to my country, I have to exchange it again. That is the foreign exchange. We call it Forex. Now guys, this industry does over $5.3 trillion a day, and you can tap into that market, trade from any smartphone device, and make money 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You guys have the opportunity to be able to make money in one of the largest financial markets in the world. That's the foreign exchange. Now we talk about cryptocurrency, the other financial market, absolutely incredible digital currency markets. A lot of you heard of Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, etc. This is where digitally, right from your phone, with currencies that are being bought and traded all over the world, you can make money in crypto. So if Bitcoin goes up, you have the opportunity to make money with it going up. If it goes down, we teach you how to make money regardless of what is happening in the financial markets. So you've got the power in your hands right from your smartphone device to be able to start making money and get your piece of the pie today with the foreign exchange and cryptocurrency. Very, very powerful. Now guys, we got an amazing leadership team. It starts with Christopher Terry. He is the founder and CEO of iMarketsLive, founded in 2013. The company's over 5 years old. They're privately owned. They're debt-free. Isis De La Torre, the co-founder of the company, she is the chief financial officer. Absolutely incredible woman. These two combined have started and founded iMarketsLive, established an amazing leadership team around them with the likes of Alexmorton, the executive vice president of the company, Ivantapia, the vice president of sales. With these individuals here, we have expanded in over 120 countries around the globe. That's why we have become so successful, is the leadership team that you see right in front of you. Now, we have several products and services that I want to be able to cover with you where you can trade right from your phone and start making money. The first was with iMarketsLive Academy. We call it IML Academy. This is where you have Forex and cryptocurrency education, all right? Very easy to follow video modules. So from beginner to advanced, you're gonna have over 100 plus education videos. This is really gonna simplify your learning process. They are available in different languages. We're constantly adding more. And so this is where you're gonna get kind of your basic to advanced training on really how do I trade Forex and how do I trade cryptocurrency right inside iMarketsLive Academy. Now, if you're like me, you want live sessions, we started iMarketsLive TV. We call it IML TV. Now you have live sessions. All right, we have over 60 plus, that's right, over 60 plus educators who are going to teach you in live sessions how to trade Forex and cryptocurrency. Guys, over 1,000 hours a month of live education and analysis. In fact, you have the opportunity to be able to trade live with these individuals right from your phone or right from your computer at different hours of the day, and available in 8 major languages. And on top of that, if you miss a session, you want to go back, we have recorded sessions available. Very, very powerful service. Now, several of the products and services that we have. The first starts with a harmonic scanner. The harmonic scanner is an extremely accurate indicator that is going to scan the live market for harmonic patterns. Basically what that means to you, it's going to tell you when to get in a trade, and it's going to tell you when to get out of a trade, because it's going to provide this pivotal information, the entry, the risk points, and the targets, which would be the take profit. All right, phenomenal tool that you have access to right in your hands to be able to become a phenomenal trader once we teach you how to trade. All right, we also have the web analyzer. The web analyzer has an algorithm that is going to scan the market looking for potential Forex and cryptocurrency setups. Now, these are going to be on shorter time frames. We're going to teach you how to actually copy the strategies of traders that we have inside the company that have been able to master the harmonic scanner and the web analyzer and be able to start making money right from your phone. When you combine the likes of a harmonic scanner and the web analyzer, you have the opportunity to make phenomenal money. Though we can't guarantee it, you can use these tools and start making money on a daily basis. All right, now we also have the Night Owl. Every Sunday night, you have your master educator, the founder, the CEO of iMarketsLive, Christopher Terry, in front of you, a 25-year veteran who is going to teach you how to trade. He does it in a very fun and interactive environment. This is hands-on experience. You're going to get updates throughout the week, throughout the month for follow-up sessions. We have literally tens of thousands of people who are on these sessions. You can always go back and watch recordings. And now you're going to learn from the master of the company how to trade every Sunday night. Now, let's say that you say, you know what? Don't have a lot of time. Maybe you don't even have the desire, but I still want to get a piece of the foreign exchange. I still want to get a piece of cryptocurrency. You can do it by using Swipe Trades. You now have an app that you download to your phone. We have experienced educators in different parts of the world. They're going to send you trade alerts through what's called Swipe Trades. Now, this is great for building kind of that hands-on experience with the markets and really getting a second opinion, because they're going to show you what they've done. They're going to give you the entry, the take profit, and then stop loss so that you guys can start making money simply by copying and pasting that information in and having that potential profit right in front of you. Now, for crypto, we have what's called Swipe Coin. We have a 5-year crypto master educator. Absolutely phenomenal. Going to do the exact same thing with Swipe Trades, but it's going to be through Swipe Coin, because these are crypto alerts. They're going to come right to your phone that you can simply copy and paste, and again, have the potential literally within 45 seconds of putting in a trade. Now you can start making money. Again, we can't guarantee it, but you're going to get these alerts throughout the day for Forex and crypto with both Swipe Trades and Swipe Coin. Very, very powerful products that you guys have access to. Now, here's the good news. Everything that I just mentioned to you, IML Academy, IML TV, the Harmonic Scanner, the Night Owl sessions with Christopher Terry, you will only pay $195. That's going to be your first month, all right, plus the taxes and fees, all right? 30 days later, you pay $145 month to month. There's no contract, all right? That way that you can decide, hey, how do I want to go about utilizing these different products and services? Now, let's say that you also wanted to get access to Swipe Trades. Completely optional add-ons. I can add that for $15 a month. I can cancel it whenever I want. If I want Swipe Coin, $99 a month plus taxes and fees. That's going to enable you month to month to decide, do I want Swipe Coin? Do I want Swipe Trades? The web analyzer, same thing, $15 a month, month to month, no contract, plus taxes and fees. Now watch this. How many of you like free products? Step 1, just access your unique link. Everybody is given a link. Step 2, I'm going to find 2 individuals who have a cell phone and want to make money. They become a subscriber at iMarketsLive. You now get free product access. How do you keep that? Well, as long as they remain actively enrolled. So they're a subscriber, you get a free subscription to iMarketsLive. So that means everything I just showed you with all the products and services, you are going to get absolutely free. Now look, we give you the opportunity to become an independent business owner or an affiliate at iMarketsLive. This gives you the potential to make even more money so that you have more money to trade with. So here's what happens beyond the 2. If you decide, you know, I want to go share this with other people, I want to control my financial future, control my financial destiny, we enable you to be an affiliate. So for example, every single customer or platinum package that you were to promote, all right, you get a $35 bonus. Now you can get a $10 and $5 override when that same package is sold, all right? So here's how it breaks down. This is very, very simple. If I have 3 personal customers who are on at least the platinum package, that means that the company is going to give me a rank called Platinum 150. That means you make $150 a month. Now the company will pay you every single Friday, all right? Now what's going to happen is, as people are using the products, as they're using the services, and people are making money, your organization, your customer base can grow to 12 active customers, people with at least the platinum package. That means the company is going to give you a rank called Platinum 600. To me, this is the sweet spot of the compensation plan. That is $600 a month residual. That's a $7,200 a year pay raise, folks. That is residual income. Now watch, you hit 30 customers, 30 active platinum packages. That's $1,000 a month as a platinum 1,000. Folks, that is almost unheard of in this industry. $1,000 a month. How many of you could use that right now? Absolutely huge. Look, you can take this to any level that you want. If I wanted to make $2,000 a month, that's platinum 2,000. That is 75 customers in my network. That doesn't mean I have to get 75. It grew to 75, just like your social media. If I wanted to make $5,000 a month, that is 225 customers. That's $1,250 a week. Chairman 10, that's $2,500 a week. 10,000 a month, that's 500 customers. Folks, you can take this to any level that you want to take it to inside of this company. There are literally no limitations, no ceiling on your income. This is not even counting the money that you make on the products and services as well. Additional bonuses. You hit a rank, you maintain at least for 90 days. They're going to give you extra money called the rank achievement bonus. You hit chairman. Once that starts at chairman 10, you get a 1% infinity bonus that is paid out every single month. Folks, you just have to ask yourself, do you feel that you're at a crossroad in life, and that you were meant for something more? Take the first step in changing the course of your life. Take control of your financial future and build a skill set that will stick with you forever. Now, folks, what I want you to do now is get back in contact with the person who invited you to watch this video. Get their link and become a customer at iMarketsLive. Why would I say that? Because it is too risky not to get involved. You have a greater risk not getting involved in your future and starting to trade and let your money work for you instead of you working for money. Guys, we'll see you on the other side of success, and we'll see you at the top. Thanks, everyone.